think all upright vacuums lose suction and tangle constantly. That's a common belief, but it's outdated and inaccurate. I'm a home cleaning specialist with years testing appliances. Problem: pet hair, deep dirt, allergens hide in carpets. Most cleaners either tangle hair or lose suction fast. You need continuous suction, tangle-free brush, and precise control. I recommend the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra. It delivers the best cleaning performance of any upright detangling vacuum. Radial root cyclone technology increases suction and captures fine dirt. Motorbar detangling head automatically clears wrapped hair while cleaning. That means no manual hair removal from the brush bar. 3 suction modes match carpets, hard floors, and heavy debris. Ball technology provides smooth, precise turns around furniture. 5 Dyson engineered accessories handle stairs, upholstery, cars, and pets. Includes tangle-free turbine and groom tool for pet hair. Groom tool removes loose hairs, dead skin, and allergens from pets. Suitable for medium and long-haired pets before they spread hair. Advanced whole machine filtration traps particles, not released back home. No loss of suction across the system, even extended cleaning. Up to 50-foot reach gets high shelves and low corners. Engineered for larger homes with pets and heavy messes. Tested performance, superior 4-carpet geomean versus competitors, certified. 5-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support provide long-term confidence. Register on the My Dyson app for personalized guides and maintenance. Real-world demo. Watch pet hair vanish from sofa and stairs. The groom tool collects hairs without stressing the animal. Motorbar keeps brush rolling, removing tangles as you clean. 3 modes let you deep clean carpets or sweep hard floors. You'll notice fewer allergens, cleaner air, and fresher floors. If you own pets or kids, this is a game changer. Summary: powerful suction, tangle-free cleaning, precise maneuverability, and support. Ready to upgrade? Choose Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra today. Click to learn more, register, and access lifetime support. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.